Question 6. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in the vehicles? To know why we use convex mirror as a rear view mirror in the vehicle, let us see the properties of image formed by a convex mirror. From this tree diagram, we can understand that convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished image irrespective of the position of the object. Wherever the object placed in front of the convex mirror, the image is formed between the pole and focus. Do you notice the image of a bike and buildings in the side mirror of a car while a car moving on the roads? The car driver can able to see the complete image of a bike and buildings inside the rear view mirror, that is side mirror. Even though objects are at far distance, they can be seen closer by using convex mirror. These properties of image formed by convex mirror helps the driver to take some early actions.